Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, to my Pawon. So I'm serving you guys today how I make teriyaki chicken drumstick. So here I have 10 pieces of chicken drumstick. So let's move on. Let's do marinate of the chicken drumstick. Here I use about 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce, half tablespoon of sesame oil, about 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, minced garlic, and mix them, wrap. Cuci tangan loh sebelumnya. So wrap every single chicken drumstick. Okay. Cover it with tin foil. And let it rest about overnight, or you can rest about 4 hours. Chill in the refrigerator. Jadi saya sudah nyalakan ovennya di suhu 400 Fahrenheit atau 200 derajat Celcius. I recommend you guys to put tin foil over your pans. This, trust me, it's gonna save your work to clean the pans. So get ready for baking. Jadi panggang ayamnya ini di suhu 400 derajat selama 400 Fahrenheit atau 200 derajat Celcius selama 40 menit. Jadi setelah 40 menit saya brush dengan teriyaki sauce. Ini saya beli di toko. Brush all over them and bake another for 5 minutes. Just broiler, not bake. The teriyaki chicken drumstick is already done. What I'm going to do is sprinkle some roasted sesame seed. Yep, just like that. And because I don't have green onion, I can add some parsley. Doesn't matter. You can do any way you want. Okay everyone, so today for video, this is my way how to cook teriyaki chicken drumstick. Hope you enjoy, and this is very easy to cook. So I hope you have a good day, guys, and thank you for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, okay? See you for the next video, guys. Goodbye.